Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to change video quality on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it. And now all you have to do is simply tap on the settings icon in this corner. Now let's tap on this camera icon, because here we've got the actually video options, and at the very bottom we've got the video quality, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set low, medium, high or fine. All you have to do in order to change the quality is simply tap on the option you'd like to use, for example the medium, and as you can see it is immediately applied, so it means that from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. But remember that I highly recommend to set high, because this is the best possible quality, and thanks to this you will record very pretty videos. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.